Hello there. Welcome to the Top Tips series. Today's top tips are on communicating for assignment success. Doing assignments is a big part of uni study. It involves not just engaging with course material in lectures and tutorials, but getting to grips with what exactly an assignment requires you to do and how best to do this. Sometimes you can be a bit fuzzy on what exactly an assignment requires. When this happens, there are some things you can do to clear up any questions you might have. This Prezi gives you some top tips on communicating questions about assignments. The first thing to do is to read the assignment closely and really think about the questions you have. Write this question or questions down. If you write down your questions instead of relying on memory, then you have a better chance of getting the information you are after. If it is a multi-part assignment, write down which part the question relates to. It really does pay to start your assignments early. That way, if you have a question, you can get the answer before the due date. Now take a moment to look at any supporting material or resources related to the assignment that have been given out in lectures or tutorials or posted on Blackboard. Doing this can often save you time, as the answer is already there. A great way you can get answers to your questions is by looking on Discussion Board on Blackboard. Lots of courses have Discussion Boards set up, so that the course coordinator and other students can answer questions in a timely manner. Browse through Discussion Board to see if anyone has already asked your question and it has been answered. If you can't find an answer here, create a post and ask your question. Remember to put a very clear topic or question in the thread of your post so that students who browse through Discussion Board can easily know what your post is about. Put what assignment the question relates to and the topic of the question or the question itself if it is brief. You can then expand on your question in the actual post. This will make it a lot easier for other students using Discussion Board to go to your post to find an answer. Tutors are there to help you with assignments, and they usually have the answer to questions you ask. Take your questions to tutors and ask or raise them in class. Chances are you won't be the only one who has a question, and you might help out your classmates who can listen to the tutor's answer. If you are a bit shy, see your tutor before or after class or make an appointment with them. They will be happy to help. And the best top tip of all: once you get your marked assignment back and you have a question about your mark or the feedback on it, go see your tutor who will be happy to talk about this with you. Usually the course coordinator will answer a question on Discussion Board. If you've tried your tutor and Discussion Board and can't seem to get a clear answer to your question, then email the course coordinator with your questions. In your email, clearly state your question and keep your email to the point. Give the course coordinator a few days to respond to your question. If you email a question just before the assignment is due, they may not have the time to respond. If you have questions about things like referencing or how to study better or write an essay, the uni has some great resources available online. Look for Learning Development on Blackboard and check out the library webpage. The answer awaits you there. In a nutshell, to get the answer you need, closely read the assignment and write down any questions you have. Do this sooner rather than later. Check out what any extra information or resources on the assignment have been given out in tutorials or posted on Blackboard. The answer may be there. Go to Discussion Board. Check out what questions have already been asked or ask your own. Clearly put the assignment number and the question in the thread line so other students can go to your post and see the answer. Ask your tutor. They are assignment experts. Still no satisfaction? Contact the course coordinator. Get online. Learning Development and the library have heaps of stuff that can help you with assignments.